Hi you guys, what's up? It's your girl Brandy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am super excited to be giving you guys another styling video. I know. I decided it would be a perfect time because I've been getting more comfortable with browns. If you didn't see my last styling video, I did mention that. And for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to style brown into your wardrobe. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 different looks instead of 4. I've just been having a really good time experimenting and just having fun with the outfits I've been making, and brown has just been the new venture for me. So before I get started, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at brandy_win. I will definitely link all my social medias down in the description below, as well as my email. And if you didn't know, I am starting my eating show channel, Brandy Win Eats. That link will also be down in the description below, so you guys can feel free to subscribe. I'm so excited. Hopefully I will be starting that content either this week or next week, but just be on the lookout. Make sure you subscribe below for updates and look out on my social medias for updates on that. But let's get started with this styling video on how to style browns. Okay you guys, this is look number 1. I decided to go for something a little bit more edgier, a little bit more feistier, a little bit more grungier. With my Buffalo Londons, I haven't pulled these cats out in a hot minute and I'm really feeling it. Okay, so let's start off with the outfit details. I have on my mom's bracelet, not really sure where it's from, but she left it here after her visit from Thanksgiving, and she just gave this as like a little token of, you know, like I'm coming back to get my stuff. I really love it. I think it kind of matches my necklace that I did wear in my previous videos from the Melrose Farmers Market, but super cute. My jumpsuit, which I'm sure you guys are trying to figure out where this is from, darling, or if you're not, it's from Aritzia, and I've been really trying to shop more sustainably. I feel like it's the right decision. I think it's the smart choice. A lot of these brands are offering Afterpay now. I'm not sure if any of you guys would be interested in that, but I feel like it's a great option if you still want to shop sustainably and you're on a budget. I really love it. It's very nice fit. And for the brown piece, I have this brown leather jacket that recently came in the other day, I think yesterday, from the unknown source, or the source is unknown, something of that nature. It will be linked down in the description below. But most of these outfits that I have on were purchased on Black Friday, so all this stuff is coming in this week. But I really love this jacket. One major downside of it though is the smell. It's god awful. I don't know if it's like the type of material it is, but I'm not living for it whatsoever. I hate it. So if you guys know how to correct the smell of like faux leather, please let a girl know, because this is god awful. But my purse is from soldout. I got so many questions about where this is from. It looks exactly like this purse off this other website. I can't remember the name of it, but this is from soldout. It's a lot cheaper option. It was like $30, so I definitely recommend, darling. With the styling of the brown, I decided to keep everything black and have the one brown piece, just because I feel like I think the brown in this look is more of a statement piece, which I really like and I really appreciate. For my hair, I have it pinned up. Not pinned up, but you know, in a clip. I think it looks very cute. And I got my hair clips all from Rite Aid. This is look number 1. I really love it. I think it's really nice and cozy. I think it's cute if you're going shopping with friends. Even this is kind of a night out look, honestly. I mean, we're not going out here in these LA streets because we're on lockdown, but you know, there's that. So I honestly love this outfit so much. It's super cute, and I really love how the brown is the statement piece of the look. If you are trying to style browns, I would definitely, if you're more on the more hesitant side, just make brown the statement. Oh my god, can you speak English, bitch? Make the brown the statement piece of the look, and then try to work in making browns, like doing a brown on brown look. I feel like if you're just starting out and you're just like, oh, I don't really know about this, that's a good way to go. I know for me, that's how I started. So yes, I love this jacket, super cute. Okay you guys, so this is outfit number 2. I love it, it's super cute. So this is a majority brown colored outfit. I know what I said in the previous outfit, you know, if you want to just dip your toe in the water, just do one item brown, you know, that's good too. But if you just want to go full throttle and you want to have a casual look, this is the one for you, honey. So just to start off with the sweatpants, because it's my favorite part of this look. They are from Brandy Melville. They are the most comfortable pair of sweatpants I have ever owned, and I purchased these at the Grove location, and I had the most amazing experience. It was a majority black staff, which was like it was crazy. It was just an amazing experience. I highly recommend it. It was just so fun and fresh. So check it out if you're in the California, Los Angeles area. But yes, so this flannel, I wore it in my previous styling video. I know you guys are probably tired of it, but I'm not yet. So just get into it real quick. It's just this cute cropped flannel from Soldout. Again, I love the way this brown is just making my melanin just pop, pop, pop. You know what I'm saying? And it's just, I just really have been loving this vibe, and it's just been giving me very Victoria Monet vibes. I know she is having a baby. Oh my god, I don't know who's the baby father, who's the baby daddy, y'all. Like, comment down below if y'all know who it is, because I'm so pressed to know. Speaking of Victoria Monet, it's just giving me very chocolatey, you know, vibes, and I'm here for that all day long. So the browns, like, they're kind of vibing off of each other, and it's just like, it's everything. Yeah, and then my purse, oh, my tank is from RUMI. I'm gonna wear this till the wheels fall off, you know what I mean? Because this is the perfect basic tank. It is a little bit of a steeper price point. It really is a very much steeper price point, but Afterpay. You know, my jewelry, Melrose Farmers Market as always, and the same bracelet I had in the previous look. And I'm wearing the same purse from Soldout. Wearing browns, I just feel like you can really just have fun with it and just do what you feel like is like cute, because that's how fashion, you know, elevates itself and creates, and it manifests into these looks. So just don't think about it too hard. Just vibe it out, because when I purchased these originally, I didn't know exactly what I was gonna wear with until just before I made this video. So just test the waters with it. And so my shoes are these Nike shoes. Don't know what type of shoes they are called, but super cute, super comfortable, and I thought it would work well with this outfit just to keep the neutral vibes going, because it's more of a cream color, and I feel like the warm tones of this cream complement and flow well with the browns in this look. So I really like that. And then the black, I feel like it just works really well with it. Honestly, I don't have a brown purse, so I mean, this is the best we can do, but I really, really love the way this look turned out. I love it. Get a 360 real quick. As for days, hey, you know what I mean? Like, yes, I love it. All right, you guys, so this is the final look of today's video. I love it. It's probably one of my favorites, honestly. Let's start off with the dress. The dress is actually from Storts. I haven't shopped there in a while. This is probably my second time purchasing from them, period, and I really had a pleased time with the shipping. I got this like within 2 days of ordering it, which is amazing. And I decided to style this with this flannel that I got from Soldout. It's more of like a very thick coat material, which I love so much. I was really just expecting it to be a thin material, but I feel like it's really durable, and I've been able to layer it with so many pieces these past few weeks. And I am pairing it with my purse that I also purchased from Soldout. I feel like this is just such a typical fall look. You can wear this to the farmer's market, to brunch, lunch, going out with friends, with your mask, of course. But I really love the browns of the flannel complementing with the brown dress. I love how form-fitting this dress is as well. It hugs your curves in the perfect places. This is in a small medium. This is the only size they offer on their website. I was gambling to see if this was gonna work out for me, because, you know, you just never know if it's gonna fit you. Of course, if you're a medium, you know what I mean? So it really worked out in my favor, and I'm so happy with how this look turned out. I love this dress. And same jewelry as always as the previous looks, but I really love the simplicity of this look, and I love how, you know, I can honestly wear this flannel as a dress itself, you know, like despite the bodycon underneath, which is nice. I do live in LA, and we have our bipolar days, kind of like in Atlanta, where it'll be really cold one day and really hot the next. So, you know, you just have to be prepared for anything that comes your way. So, and for the shoes, I am wearing Doc Martens, and I purchased these at my job at the scholarship store when we were open, but these are super duper comfortable. They were already like pretty worn in when I purchased them, but if you are getting a little bit, if you're trying to enter into warm tones during the season, I feel like flannels are a great way to pair browns with, because it's just an easy way to complement the colors together and the warm tones together. Oh my god, I'm spitting on myself, but gosh. Anyways, but I feel like flannels are just an easy way to do that. It's an easy way to bridge the gap between your browns in your closet and the warm tones in your closet, and just marry them, and they just look amazing. So I love this look, super cute. This is probably by far my fave, but yes, the final look of today's video. Okay, you guys, we've reached the ending of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Comment down below what was your favorite look from today's video, and if it helped you incorporate browns into your wardrobe. I know that I have really been loving brown, and I can't wait to buy some more, girl. I need my card to be taken away from me because I'm broke. Anyways, make sure you guys click that subscribe button so you guys can stay up to date with the content on this channel. And again, make sure you guys subscribe to my new channel, Brandy When Eats, so you guys can stay up to date with that channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Love you.